Welcome to Vintage Mobile Phone Reviews, where today we're going to take a quick look and a review of the Nokia 3510i, which was released in 2002. Being almost identical to its brother the Nokia 3510, except of course for that colour screen, the 3510i had dimensions of 118 by 50 by 17 millimeters, was 1 gram heavier at 106 grams, and of course both used the usual mini SIM. The 3510i came equipped with 4096 colours. It had a screen resolution of 96 by 65 and had screensavers, wallpaper, soft key, dynamic font size, and you could also change the colours of the screen. The mobile phone didn't have any card slots, anything fanciful like any cameras. It didn't come equipped with any LAN or Bluetooth or infrared, of course. It did have an alarm clock and you could change the languages. There was predictive text, smart messaging, and a voice dial. Looking at the battery, it had a removable lithium-ion 950 milliamp battery, had a standby time of around an incredible fortnight, and had talk time of anywhere between 2.5 to 4.5 hours. One of the big bonuses, of course, for mobile phones that were released around that time, you could buy some express on covers, different colours and different patterns were available. I do hope you've enjoyed this video from me, Alan, here at Vintage Mobile Phone Reviews. If you do, appreciate if you could hit that like button, and if you're not subscribed, hit that subscribe button and hit the bell so you'll be notified when new videos are released in the future.